Mathematics Quarter 3, Week 2. Learning competency solves problems involving permutations. Circular permutation. Nung nakaraan, diniscuss na natin ang permutation at sasabi ng permutation daw po, it deals with arrangement of objects in which order is important. Ibig sabihin, yung arrangement niya, kung sino yung dapat nasa unahan, nasa pangalawang peso, pangatlong peso at sumusunod pa, ay importante. Same thing with circular permutation. This one is another type of permutation. Okay, circular permutation. The permutation of n objects arranged in a circle is permutation is equal to n minus 1 factorial. So kung ang pinag-uusapan daw po is about circular permutation, ito yung formula na ating gagamitin. So let's have an example. How many ways can 5 people be seated around a circular table? So clue for this one is this one, circular table. So kung nakita nyo na yung keyword na circular table, automatic ito yung formula na gagamitin natin. Since the value of n is 5, so that is permutation is equal to 5 minus 1 factorial. Simplify first the number inside the parentheses. So 5 minus 1 is 4. Then you have factorial. 4 factorial are also equal to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Or simply, 4 times 3 is 12, times 2 is 24, times 1 is also 24. So there are 24 ways the people can sit around a circular table. Okay, let's have example number 2. How many circular permutations can you form with 10 objects? Another clue, how many circular permutations? Automatic, this is now the formula. So substitute the value of n, which is 10. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9, then factorial, or simply 9 factorial, expanded form of 9 factorial. 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is 362,880 circular permutation. Okay, ganun lang siya kasi. Example number 3. In how many ways can 8 pearls be arranged in a necklace? So value of n is 8. So that is simply permutation is equal to 8 minus 1 factorial. 8 minus 1 is 7. So that is now 7 factorial. So that is also the same with 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Then simplify. 7 factorial is equal to 5,040. So therefore, we have 5,040 ways to arrange the pearls in a necklace. Let's have example number 4. In how many ways can 7 colorful beads be arranged in a bracelet? So if you have 4 colorful beads, that is simply permutation is equal to 7 minus 1 factorial. So 7 minus 1 is 6 factorial. So 6 factorial, expand natin siya into 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So 6 times 5 is 30. Times 4 is 120, times 3 is 360, times 2 is 720. So there are 720 ways to arrange 7 colorful beads in a bracelet. Okay? Now let's have another example of permutation. So meron tayong linear permutation, meron naman tayo ngayong circular permutation, then now we have distinguishable permutation. The formula if an ordered arrangement with repetition. Okay po, kung ito daw po yung formula na gagamitin natin kung may mga naulit na objects or elements sa ating permutation. The number of distinguishable permutations, P of objects where P objects are alike. Ibig sabihin, pag meron ng mga magkakapareho. Q objects are alike, R objects are alike, and so on. So ito lang siya. Permutation or distinguishable permutation is equal to n factorial, kung ilan yung given lahat, Tapos, yung p factorial daw kung ano yung mga objects na may mga kapareho. Kung meron tatlong magkakapareho, meron tayong p factorial, q factorial, and r factorial. Kung meron lang dalawa, pwede lang natin gamitin si p factorial, q factorial. Okay? So, makikita ninyo at mas maintindihan niyo yan dito. How many 10-letter patterns can be formed from the letters of Dasmariñas? As you can see, sa word na Dasmariñas, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 letters. And how many 10-letter patterns can be formed from the letters of the word Dasmariñas? Ang problem natin dito, hindi natin siya pwedeng makuha yung permutation na isang diretso lang, katulad na sa linear permutation. Bakit? Dahil merong nauulit. As you can see, meron tayong naulit na A, meron din naulit na S. Okay? So, ang gagawin muna natin, identify natin yung mga naulit. Ang solution daw po, find the number of permutation of 10 objects of which 3 are A's and 2 are S. Okay? So, tatlo daw yung A, dalawa yung S out of 10 objects or 10 letters. So, para mas madalian kayo, ang gawin nyo, kung ano yung mga umulit na letters, yun ang gawin ninyong denominator. Yung n factorial, that is the number of objects. Okay? Number of objects is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, you have now here 10 factorial. Kaya nagkaroon tayo ng 10 factorial. Then, saan galing yung 3 factorial? Yung A daw po. Kaya ginawa ko siyang A factorial. Kasi si A, meron daw tatlo. Siya yung umulit. 1, 2, 3. 3 factorial. Meron din daw tayong dalawang S. Kaya, ang ginawa ko din sa kanya S factorial. Kasi meron tayong dalawang S. Kaya nangyari 2 factorial. Okay? Then, simplify lang natin siya. 10 factorial is 3,628,800. Pag dire-diretso, pag sinolve mo siya, automatic that is 3,628,800. Then 3 factorial is equal to what? Maganda na may memorize na ninyo yan. So 3 factorial is 6 and 2 factorial is 4. So 2. 3 factorial is 6 times 2 factorial which is 2. 2 times 6 is 12. Then 3,628,800 divided by 12 is 302,400 ways. Okay po. Ito po ay way na dire-diretso yung pagsasolve. Kinuha yung factorial ng 10, kinuha ang factorial ng 3, at factorial ng 2, minultiply. Then, after mo-multiply, simplify lang, i-divide lang silang dalawa. Then, the answer is 302,400. Okay? Pero pwede rin pa rin tayo, syempre, gumamit ng cancellation. Pero kailangan mo lang siyang expand. So, ganito. Same given, 10 factorial over 3 factorial, 3 factorial. Expand lang natin si 10 factorial, expand natin si 3 factorial, at si 2 factorial. Then ngayon, pwede natin i-cancel yung mga pareho. Kung mapapansin natin, may mga numbers na pareho sa numerator at sa denominator. So, we can cancel yung 3 times 2 times 1. 3 times 2 times 1. So, automatic, that will be cancelled. Meron pang mga numbers na pwede nating i-cancel na divisible din siya sa number na nasa denominator, which is 2 and 4. Then 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay? So kung mapapansin natin, meron pa ba tayong pwedeng ma-cancel? Since wala na tayong pwedeng ma-cancel, pwede na natin siyang i-multiply. So i-multiply natin. 2 times 5 is 10, times 6 is 60, times 7 is 420, times 8 is 3,360, times 9 is 30,240, times 10 is 302,400. So therefore, ang number of permutation of the word Dasmariñas is 302,400. Okay po. Example number 2. Find the number of different permutations of the letter of the word Mississippi. The word Mississippi has 11 letters. So, tingnan natin yung 11 letters na yan. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have 11 letters. So the word Mississippi has 11 letters. If the letters were all different, there would have been 11 factorial, different permutations. But Mississippi has, may mga naulit. Ano yung mga naulit? Meron tayong S, apat na S, meron din tayong apat na I, ayan, at meron tayong dalawang P. Yan yung mga letters na naulit. O yan yung mga letters na pare-pareho. So the answer for this is simply permutation or distinguishable permutation is equal to our N is 11 letters since that is the number of objects or letters. So you have 11 factorial. 11 factorial over, ano ba yung mga naulit? Naulit yung S, ilang beses siya naulit? 4. Naulit yung I, which is 4 times din siya naulit, so that is 4 factorial. Naulit yung P, which is 2 times naulit, so that is now 2 factorial. Then, ang 11 factorial is equal to 39,916,800. Then, ang 2 factorial, ang 4 factorial is 24. Another 4 factorial is another 24. Ang 2 factorial is 2. Then, i-multiply lang natin yung denominator, then i-divide natin sa numerator. So, the answer is 34,650 ways. Okay po? So, ito daw yung arrangement na pwede nating magawa using the word Mississippi. Okay po? Naiintindihan? Sabi ko nga, pwede natin gamitin ang cancellation. So, gawin din natin yung cancellation. So, paano ba gagawin ang cancellation? So, again, sulat muna natin yung given. Expand natin sa 11 factorial. Ayan, expand na natin. Tapos, i-cancel natin yung mga common. Kung papansin natin, si 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 ay magkapareho dito. So, cancel na yan. Pwede rin natin i-cancel si 8 at si 4. 8 divide 4 is 2. So, meron tayong 2. Meron pa tayong pwedeng ma-cancel. Si 3 at si 6. So, 6 divide 3 is also 2. Yung 2, pwede uli natin ma-cancel. Since meron kang 2 dito, meron ka rin 2 dito, pwede rin natin yung i-cancel. Yung isang 2 sa denominator at yung isa pang 2 sa numerator. So, therefore, this is 1. Kahit hindi na natin ilagay yung 1, pwede na rin po yun. Meron pa tayong isang 2, pwede natin i-cancel at i-cancel din yan. Kung papansin natin, halos wala nang nasa denominator. At kung papansin natin, 1 na lang. Remember, kapag ang denominator ay 1, hindi na natin isinusulat sa ating given. Siya ay magiging whole number na. 1 times 1 still 1 pa rin naman. So, let's multiply the given numbers. Ano ba yung mga number na natira? Tingnan nga natin. Meron tayong 5. 5 times 7 is 35. Times 9 is 315. Times 11 is 3,465. Tapos i-multiply natin siya sa 10. That is now 34,650 ways. Papansin natin, pareho pa rin naman yung kanyang sagot. Pwede tayong gumamit ng cancellation. Pwede naman direct na computation. Example number 3. Find the permutation of the given figure. Meron daw po tayong 3 na heart. May sumunod na dalawang triangle, dalawang diamond, isang heart, isang triangle, isang diamond, at dalawang heart. So, bilangin natin lahat ang heart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Meron daw 6 na heart. Meron tayong 1, 2, 3 na triangles. At meron tayong ding 3 na diamonds. Ilan lahat yung figure na meron tayo? We have here 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, meron tayong 12 na figures. So, ang N natin is 12. So, meron tayong 6 na heart, 3 triangles, and 3 diamonds. So, ang permutation natin, distinguishable permutation na meron tayo is equal to 12 factorial over 6 factorial, 3 factorial, and 3 factorial. Bakit ganon? Kasi meron tayong 6 na heart, that is 6 factorial. Meron tayong 3 triangles at 3 diamonds. So, ang 12 factorial is 479,100,1,600. Then, over 6 factorial times 3 factorial times 3 factorial is 25,920. So, pag dinivide natin ang 479,1,600 by 25,920, ang sagot po is 18,408. Okay? Tingnan naman natin paano ang gagawin naman kapag cancellation. Cancellation naman ulit, lagay natin yung given, expand natin siya. So, pag in-expand natin, so that is now 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6. Bakit naging 6 factorial na lang po? Kasi kung mapapansin natin sa denominator, meron tayong 6 factorial para at least hindi na ganun kahaba. So, pwede tayo doon mag-stop sa 6 factorial. Tapos, si 6 factorial, kukopyahin na lang natin siya para mamaya pag nag-cancel tayo, mas madali. Then, 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. Another 3 factorial, 3 times 2 times 1. Then, i-cancel na natin yung mga pwedeng ma-cancel. Sabi nga natin, sa 6 factorial, pareho siya sa numerator at sa denominator. So, cancel natin siya. Then, tingnan naman natin kung ano pa yung mga pwede natin ma-cancel. Pwede yung si 3 at si 12. 12 divide 3 is 4. Okay? Then, meron pa tayong pwede ma-cancel. Yung 2 at ang 8 naman daw. Cancel natin 8 divide 2 is also 4. Meron pa ba? Si 3 at si 9. So, 9 divide 3 is 3. Then, pwede pa tayong mag-cancel ng 2 at 4 naman daw. 4 divide 2 is also 2. Meron pa po ba tayong pwede ma-cancel? So, papansin natin, ang natira na uli sa ating denominator ay 1. Okay? So, i-multiply natin. 7 times 2 is 14. Times 3 is 42. Times 11 is 462. Times 4 is 1,848. Times 10 is 18,480 weeks. Kung papansin natin, pareho rin yung kanyang sagot. So, kahit ano po yung gamitin ninyo dyan ay pwede. Let's have this one. Identify the permutation if it is linear, circular, or distinguishable. So, sana naintindihan na yung iba't ibang klase ng permutation. So, in this one, titingin naman tayo na iba't ibang scenario kung anong klaseng mga permutations ba mga ito. Okay? Number 1, winners and pageant. Saan siya pasok? Is it linear, circular, or distinguishable? Ang winners in pageant ay linear. Kasi sa winners ng pageant, merong champion, first runner-up, second runner-up, third runner-up, and so on. Okay? So, siya ay linear. Kasi importante sa kanya yung order and arrangements. Number 2, how about the word for the word Leanne, for my name? Is it linear, is it circular, or is it distinguishable? This one is distinguishable. Kasi may mga repeated objects in the given word. Okay? Number 3, seating arrangement for class picture. Is it linear, is it circular, or is it distinguishable? So for the seating arrangement, from the given statement na rin arrangement, automatic that is permutation, but that is a linear permutation. Number 4, riding in a carousel. What do you think is that? Is it linear, is it circular, or distinguishable? Ano ba itsura ng carousel? Papansin nyo yung carousel that is, what? A circular ride, di ba? Paikot siya. So automatic that is circular permutation. Number 5, color of M&M chocolates in a pack. Sa loob ng pack ng M&M's, ilang kaya yung permutation ng mga chocolate na meron doon? Kailan yung mga kulay? Isa lang ba yung kulay ng bawat chocolates? syempre may iba't ibang kulay siya. So therefore, number 5 is distinguishable permutations. Okay? And that's all for today. Thank you and happy learning, everyone. This is Ma'am Lay. God bless.